Here's some Ponzi schemes trivia. Subscribe. Who is regarded as the founder of the Ponzi scheme? Is it A. Charles Ponzi, B. John D. Rockefeller, C. Charles Dickens, or D. Bernie Madoff? The correct answer is A. Charles Ponzi. What is the name of the scheme promising high returns with low risk? Is it A. Equity fund, B. Ponzi scheme, C. Debt security, or D. High yield savings? The correct answer is B. Ponzi scheme. What country's postal reply coupons inspired Ponzi's scheme? Is it A. Greece, Spain, C. Italy, or D. Germany? The correct answer is C. Italy. Who orchestrated a massive Ponzi scheme in 2008? Is it A. Richard Fuld, B. Martin Shkreli, C. Bernie Madoff, or D. Alan Stanford? The correct answer is C. Bernie Madoff. What is the term for early investors profiting from later ones? Is it A. Equity dividend, B. Capital gains, C. Return of capital, or D. Initial offering? The correct answer is C. Return of capital. What percentage of investors typically lose money in Ponzi schemes? Is it A. 10%, B. 30%, C. 50%, or D. 70-90%? The correct answer is D. 70-90%. Which high-tech company CEO was convicted in a Ponzi scheme? Is it A. Scott Rothstein, B. Jeff Bezos, C. Elon Musk, or D. Tim Cook? The correct answer is A. Scott Rothstein. What state is known for the infamous Ponzi schemer Scott Rothstein? Is it A. California, B. New York, C. Texas, or D. Florida? The correct answer is D. Florida. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.